Okay, it's the 4th night of 5 nights of coin hunting, and I've just found myself another Olympic 50p, and it's a top tier Olympic. You'll have to watch the video to find out what that is, won't you? Day 4, Thursday. Fantastic. Another £100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh no, and 10. Knocked me bunnies over. Slayed me Benjamins. Right, there we go. Right. Another sealed bag with little pre-tears. Very nice. Yes, Thursday night. It's been a very successful week. Quick recap for you, in case you haven't seen Monday's video, which, you know, why you're watching today's video if you haven't seen the first one. Anyway, we found a Newton on Monday. On Tuesday, I found my first ever 2020 Shield. Very excited for that. And happened to find a football, you know, whatever. And then last night, Wednesday, we found a Jersey Territories 50p. So, cool. What will we find tonight? Don't know. The only way to find out is if we just get cracking with this hunt. And it's been a bit of tradition that we start every night with a bust bag. So, hopefully, and we won't, we got a 70th anniversary, the platinum anniversary of the late Queen. I still can't believe she's gone. I know it's nuts, isn't it? We've got kings on coins nowadays, but still find it hard to believe she has gone. It is weird. Never mind, as I fumble trying to sort these coins out with me gloves on, me murder gloves. Right, another bag. Hopefully, I'm going to find something truly amazing tonight. I'm hoping for a duck or a 2018 rabbit or another top Olympic. It'd be cool. Ooh, I don't know. Tomorrow night, if we find something good tonight, if we find another really good Olympic or something really cool tonight, I'm hoping for a Kew Gardens tomorrow night. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, there we go. You ask and you shall receive, sort of. Let's finish this hand, or this stack of coins. Yay. Now look at this. Now I can never remember whether it's pentathlon or triathlon, which is the rarest out of the two, but I think it could be triathlon. But look at that condition. Look at that. That is smart. That is so nice. That has not been out in the wild for, what, 11 years now? We're in 2012, we're in 2023 right now, but time of filming, it's 2022, December the 12th. And I've just found a really smart looking Olympic triathlon. That is really good condition. That is brilliant. Oh, right on top of that stack, or face up anyway, is a very nice, it's very shiny, Brexit, our first one. First one all week. That's pretty cool. It's a very nice one. first time this week, found a libraries. Oh my god, put that there. Oh no, we don't put it there. That's invading into Paddington Corner if we do get any more coins to finish that. Okay, and we're on the last bag for tonight. And look, an amazing dictionary. I love to hate dictionaries, I do. Anyway, last bag for tonight. Shield and Britannias. We found an Olympic, a top tier Olympic as well, I think. Pretty sure. Wish I had one of Bungle's mats so I could check it out. Right. Oh, yeah, there's that dictionary. I think that's going to be the best find in this last stack of coins, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Disappointing end, but we did just find an Olympic, so fantastic. We're doing amazingly well this week. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Fantastic. That is a hard coin to find. And I found 2 in £500. Is that my luck completely run out for the week now? Yay! In the same bag. They're just pieces of metal, Trev. Chill out a little bit.